I'm one of the unfortunate people that does not have a dishwasher, so I have to wash all my dishes by hand. And so I got some soap that I've been using here. I think it'll help you in the kitchen as it's helped me. So this stuff I got off Amazon, like pretty much everything else I get. It is dishwashing detergent. It's this stuff here, right? It's called 9 Elements. So I'll tell you why I like this stuff. First of all, you can buy a big pack of this. It's like a refill pack. So they give you a sprayer. They give you three, I guess 4 bottles in total. So here's why I like this stuff. I'll show you how it works here in a minute. But basically all you do is you just spray it on your dishes and rinse it off. So it takes the food off really, really easy. Now the reason why I like it over something like this is all the chemicals on the back. So this right here, anything you get from the store that's got like, that's a blue liquid, it's got a bunch of dyes and perfumes and chemicals and stuff in it. And most of that stuff is carcinogen. This stuff I think has only got 9 ingredients. This one right here has a ton of ingredients. And one of the ingredients here is PPG 26, polypropylene glycol, I assume that's what it is. It's carcinogen. And you might think, well, like, who cares? You know, you're just washing your dishes with it. So the one thing I noticed is I ran out of this stuff, went back to this stuff. And after I washed my dishes, I could actually taste the soap on my dishes. This is a much lighter product, and in my opinion works much better. This is hard to get the soap off the dishes once you're washing them. I live in a camper, so I don't have a dishwasher, which is all right because I was 25 before I even had my first dishwasher, so I'm pretty used to washing dishes by hand. But I would encourage you to maybe give this stuff a try. I'm gonna show you how it works on a pan inside, and then and that's my spiel for the day. So I hope you're having a great day. So that's the Element 9 spray foam demo. You can get it on Amazon. I like it. I've ordered this stuff about 4 times maybe, I guess. And I find it far superior to anything else when hand washing dishes. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next one.